So I wanted just to share something with you that I found yesterday, following some advice from Caroline Wilson. That's to do with your LinkedIn post engagement. So generally speaking, my LinkedIn posts don't get a huge amount of impressions, but I did notice there were a couple of videos that I posted a few weeks ago that did better than others. This one got nearly 4,000 impressions and this one got over 5,000 impressions, and I want to find out if there are any commonalities between that, because as you'll know, LinkedIn unhelpfully just says 1 week or 2 weeks. And this is where I found something called the LinkedIn Post Inspector. It's going to give me a lot more information about these posts. So what you do is you paste a link to your LinkedIn post in here, then you hit inspect, and it gives you a huge amount of data that you can't get from LinkedIn alone. So to do that, head to the post you want to have a look at, click the 3 dots in the right and click copy a link to post. Then head back to the inspector, paste it in there and click inspect, and you'll get a raft of information about the post, but specifically at the bottom you'll get an exact date and time, which you can then have a look at to see if you can find any trends or anything in there that might help you with your timings to hopefully improve your engagement. So don't forget, if you've enjoyed this video or found it useful, sign up to my newsletter.